Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talent Love. If it's your first time being on this channel, then welcome, and if you're back again, then welcome, sis. I know you subscribed, girl. Hey. Anyway, you guys, as you can see today, I am in a different background or different setting. I'm in my beautiful bathroom. And it's because today I'm going to teach you how to do an affordable facial in home and still get bomb results. You guys, I went to get my skin matched the other day at Ulta, and the woman was a makeup artist, and all she did was compliment me on my beautiful skin. And I was like, girl, I thought I had just normal little blotchy skin, whatever. And she's like, no sis, your skin is phenomenal. So I was like, let me get on the Glam Squad, or let me come to the Glam Squad and show you guys what I do to keep my skin flawless. So this facial I like to do like twice a week. Sometimes I'll switch it up and do a different facial, but this is my main facial that I like to do. This is the one that benefits me the most. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into step one of my facial. And the first thing that I like to do is I like to take witch hazel, and I like to take fat cotton balls and cleanse my face. It is the morning right now. I prefer morning facials because it's like less stuff on your skin. Like, I feel like at the end of the day, when you've taken off your makeup and all of that, you've done a bunch of things to your skin. Like, you know, your skin has just been through a lot after makeup. So I try to catch my skin first thing in the morning when, you know, it's all refreshed, brand new from sleeping overnight. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the first step, which is witch hazel, and we're just gonna cleanse our face. Okay, so now that step number one is done, we're gonna move on to step number two, and that is shaving all the extra hair off of my face. I'm a really hairy girl. It just has to do with being mixed. It is what it is. So I'm going to shave off the hair off my lip and shave all of my hair that I grow on my chin and my cheeks and stuff like that, just because I feel like I don't like to feel like I have hair on my face when I'm doing a facial, because I just like to, you know, just make sure I'm actually penetrating the pores themselves and not focusing on the hair. And then plus it just looks better. Makeup applications look better when you shave your face. So yeah, we're gonna shave. So yeah, I just wanted to make a note of something, you guys. I used to get a lot of ingrown hairs, and to stop that, the exfoliating made them disappear, and cleansing my skin with witch hazel after every shave before I put on moisturizer. So that stops that. So if you're a guy and you suffer from ingrown hairs, try that. Okay, so the next thing that we want to do is cleanse, and I'm going to be using my Equate brand oil-free acne scrub, and yeah, it has grapefruit in it. So this is what it looks like, if I could get that to focus. Perfect. And then I'm going to be using my Vanity Planet facial scrubber, and I got the purple one because I realized that when I was washing my face before, I don't know, I didn't think there was makeup there, but I had a different version of this, like a Conair one from Walmart, and I was like, let me just get it just to see what people are talking about, that there's still stuff on your face. I literally washed my face twice after having makeup on, and I went and washed it a third time and like used this, and all this brown stuff came up, which was my makeup, and I couldn't believe it. So sis, if you wear makeup and you're not using this, you still got makeup in your pores. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with this, and I have my exfoliator brush head on. Truth be told, I like the Conair one better. I like the Conair one as well. If you want a cheaper option, it's like $7 to $9 at Walmart, and then you can get either there's another brand of this that I can't think of, but you get it for Sephora. It's more expensive. This one, the Vanity Planet one, is a middle ground. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys how I get to doing that. Okay, so now that we're done with that, this next step is going to seem kind of weird, but we're going to steam our face because we want to open up our pores a lot before we start putting these masks on. We want them to just soak up all the goodness, and I'm going to be taking that same rag that I used and I'm going to be making it damp, but not where it's dripping. So I want it wet, but not where, like I said, it's dripping. And we're going to be microwaving it, and we're going to microwave it for maybe about like 15 to 20 seconds. And you're gonna have to do this according to your own, you know, feeling, how it works for you. What I like to do after I damp it is I roll it up like this, like just like that, and I sit it on a plate or in a cup or something with nothing in it and nothing else in it, and it won't set a fire because it's damp. And I don't think you really want to go over 20 seconds because it can get too hot. But the way to test it out for yourself is do like 5 seconds at a time, and then, you know, put it in there, and then be careful when you take it out, like touch it first, and then, like, you know, you can unroll it, you'll be able to see the steam and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you, you know, how I put that on my face, and I'm gonna leave it on there for maybe like a minute or so. Okay, so now that we've freshly steamed our faces, I feel so refreshed, y'all. I am going to be using the Freeman brand, what is this? Face mask. And it is a charcoal and black sugar gel mask and scrub. I get the scrub on so I can lift all the dead skin off and exfoliate. And this is what it looks like. Okay. And then I'm also going to be using just this little facial makeup brush. It's a foundation brush that I got off Amazon. And it's just so perfect to apply this. I don't like to apply them with my hand because I feel like the sugar and stuff gets all over my hand and it's kind of a little annoying. So anyway, we're going to do this step next. And it says to leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes. So that's what we're going to do. Scrubbing that off, I want to let you know that the sugar in this one is really thick, so you don't have to like scrub super duper hard. I also do not ever scrub around my eyes. If you notice throughout this whole process, I keep my eyes safe. Outside of the witch hazel, I do witch hazel over my eyes, but yeah. And then I also, you know, scrub into my lips as well, just to exfoliate the lips. So next, guys, I'm going to be going in with another Freeman mask, and it's called the Anti-Stress Dead Sea Minerals Clay Mask, and it claims to instantly clear pores and Balances for Renewed Skin, and it's a 10-minute mask. Both of these facials are for all skin types. So this is what it looks like. And y'all, this is my favorite one. Okay, so this is the one I need the most, but this one is my favorite one for relaxing. I really do feel less stress when I put it on. I feel less stressed with facials in general, but I really noticed the difference when I started using this one twice a week. And I don't know if it has anything to do with the ingredients or whatever, but I really love this mask. Nobody's sponsoring this video. This is just a me thing, which even when I do get sponsors, it's still gonna be a me thing, because I would never put my name on nothing that I don't like. And if I accidentally do, I will tell you in the video, hey, I agreed to this, but you know, this product's trash. Boop. But anyway, so we're just gonna go ahead and put this on, and we're gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. And what this does is it just like gives your skin, it makes it so soft, gives you that extra boost. Like it makes your skin feel so freaking perfect. So I love to follow up an exfoliant with a clay mask. If you don't need to exfoliate, well, I feel like if you wear makeup you need to exfoliate, but if for some reason you're not a makeup wearer and you don't need to exfoliate, and you don't have like dead skin flakes that build up over time or whatever, then you could skip the exfoliating step and just jump straight into the clay mask. Also, it says all skin types, but for this one, but if you're using a different clay mask, usually clay masks are for oily skin, because it's like, you know, balancing the skin or whatever, but not this one. This one really does just put moisture in. Oh, it's just so awesome. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and we're gonna leave it on for getting that clay mask off of my face. I'm just gonna go back in with the witch hazel to make sure all of that clay is out of my pores. Yeah, so this is an optional step. I break out easy from anything, so when my pores get clogged, they just start I just start breaking out. Like, it'll be an hour, I could break out by the next morning. So yeah, if you guys have that problem, you want to use the witch hazel too, but honestly, if you don't break out easily, you will be just fine moisturizing right after this. But I'm going to go ahead and tone. So we're going to moisturize, and I'm using the St. Ives Renewing Collagen Cream, and I'm going to be using, I like to do just a little bit of that with like 2 or 3 drops of avocado oil. And I want to tell y'all, just give y'all a quick little lesson on what I looked up about avocado oil and just read a little bit of it. But it says that not only is avocado oil extremely good at hydrating and softening your skin, it's also often recommended as an effective treatment for acne and blackheads, eczema, and other forms of skin inflammation. So I just really love avocado oil. My skin on my face really started to change when I switched to avocado oil. Sometimes I do an avocado oil mixed with coconut oil, but that's only, you know, when I use a ton of it in my hair. I like to put a carrier oil, but honestly, you can either use I'm using the avocado oil by itself right now, or you can mix it with coconut oil. They both work bomb, but avocado oil is definitely a staple in my moisturization part of my skincare. end of my facial. So comment down below and let me know what type of facial steps you do at home, if you do an in-home facial. And if you try mine, let me know how it worked out for you. But until next time, you guys, I love you guys so much. Like, comment, and subscribe down below if you like this video. The likes really do help me as a growing channel. We're on the road to 500, so share with one of your girlfriends and maybe y'all can do the facial together, or you and your mom. Y'all could do a mommy and me facial. But yeah, so until next time, I love you guys so much. Stay fresh and stay fierce.